Hello and welcome to this section again, Sunday with Python. Here we'll come up with one more new problem. Let's try to solve that. So let's get straight into it. So the requirement is in the class 9th, the English teacher gives a list of words and asks students to check whether this given list of words is a palindrome or not. Write a Python code to solve this problem. So what is palindrome? First of all, that we need to understand. POP. So when I read from start or when I read from end, the word will remain the same. Dad, mom, madam, pop, all these things. So I want to give user an input. When the word is palindrome, it should highlight, else it should say that the word is not palindrome. So let's create a Python code. I'll go to Jupyter and first of all give user an option to input the string. Type a word. After that I will write a logic. If user input is equal to user input again, and this time -1, I'm reversing that particular string. So this -1 will help me to reverse the string. Then print, yes, it is palindrome, else print, no, it is not palindrome. So now this code is ready. Now if I execute this, it will ask for a word. Let's write the word. Let's say Rahul. It is not a palindrome, clearly, because the word is like RAHUL, and if I reverse it, it is not Rahul. Let's say madam. It is a palindrome. So that is how you will able to create a code. If you want to make it more clean, you can write something like colon, then execute. You see that you're getting some error because it should be inside the code. So that is how you can create a code and will help you to understand whether the string is palindrome or not. Hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next Sunday with more cool problems and try to solve that. Till then, happy analyzing.